All right, hi everybody. This is the Math 31 derivatives review. This is question 10b. I'm supposed to take the derivative of this expression here implicitly. Okay, so we'll take a look at that first term here, y cubed. Now remember, this is y represents a function. Okay, y is f of x. All by its lonesome, it's a function here. So this is a function being cubed. So this really is an expression of the chain rule. So I take the derivative of the cubed part of this. Then I'm going to multiply by the derivative of what's inside. Now, I don't know what the function is, so I write y primed simply to represent, to be like a placeholder. I would be multiplying by the derivative of y primed here. I don't know what that is, so I just write it like that. Plus, now I've got a product here. This term is a product between two functions. The x by itself, the derivative of x is just going to be 1, so this will be 1 times y squared, plus x times the derivative of the y squared. Now remember, y is this function of x, but it's being squared. So this is going to require that the chain rule, in essence, 2y to the 1. And I've got to multiply that by the derivative of what was inside there, the y function. I don't know what that is, so I just write the y prime to represent that. Plus the derivative of y all by its lonesome there is going to be 1. Okay, but this is like having y to the 1 here. Now I got to include the derivative of that function that y represents. I don't know what that is, so I just write y primed. Plus the derivative of 2x is 2, and the derivative of the 10 on the other side there is just going to be 0. So now I've got three expressions here, okay, that have y primed in it. I'm going to take the other two terms over and factor the y primed out of what's left over. So this is y primed times 3y squared plus 2xy plus 1 is going to equal negative y squared minus 2. Okay? And now I will divide by this factor here. So y primed will equal negative y squared minus 2 over 3y squared plus 2xy plus 1. And you know what? I really don't see anything much that's going to be able to be simplified any further than that. That looks like that's about as good as it's going to get.